how to download paid apps for free. So if you want to download paid apps for free, then just watch this video. First of all, go to your Play Store, go with search, or just go back to your home page, and from here on the top, you will have an option of premium. So go with games, and as you can see that here you will have premium. Tap on premium. Premium means the app for which you have to pay to download it and use it. So select any app that you want to download. Here you'll see the cost you have to pay to download this app. So you have to tap on this, and there at the bottom you'll find options of add credit or debit card. Just tap on it, and then you will have to add your debit card, your credit card number, or some details from your credit or your debit card, from where the certain amount will be deducted from your account. So you'll be able to use or download the app and use it. And unfortunately, it's not possible to download any premium apps for free. You need to pay the price. You have to pay to download it. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.